Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset in order to fix the audio and connection issues in 2026. So to begin with, first of all, you need to understand this thing that the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless does not have a dedicated reset button, but you can definitely perform a manual reset and repair process. For that, first of all, you just have to simply locate the power button on your headset. So the power button is going to be here. So you just have to simply press and hold this power button until the headset turns off completely. Now you need to make sure of this thing that there is no light on before moving to the next step. So after that, you just have to simply press and hold the power button again for about 10 to 15 seconds. And this is going to force a reset and clears any temporary glitches. After doing this, you just have to simply unplug the USB wireless dongle from your PC or console and wait for a few seconds. And then you just have to simply plug it back in. After doing this step, simply turn on your headset. If needed, you can again hold the power button for a few seconds in order to enter into the pairing mode. Now wait for the headset to reconnect to the dongle, and then you can also restart your PC or console in order to refresh the system connections. This is going to help completely reset the process, and the reset process is also going to work properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.